Yeah, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you and teach you how to recover your hacked WhatsApp account. Yes, I'm going to show you how to recover your hacked WhatsApp account. And before I show you how to do that, I'm going to share with you a brief history. Did I say history? A story actually, how it happened to my mother's WhatsApp account. Recently, my mother's WhatsApp account got hacked by one of these hackers who name says scammer. So I'm going to show you or tell you what happened in the story and how it got hacked. And then I'm going to also show you different ways in which your WhatsApp accounts can be hacked. After that, I'm also going to show you different ways or means of recovering your hacked WhatsApp account. And lastly, how to keep or protect your WhatsApp account from being hacked and getting banned from WhatsApp themselves. Getting you banned, no longer using WhatsApp at all. I'm going to show you all this, and you will not want to miss any part of this video because every information is very vital. You will need it, even not for yourself, for someone else. If you know someone that has this situation currently, please, you can share this video with the person. Leave in your comment to keep this video engaging so that the algorithm will push this to more audience that will be helpful to them. Stay tuned. So, how did this happen? My mother received a call from an unknown number, someone that she don't know, and the person introduced himself as Dr. Ahmed. I think that was the name she called. That she said to me that the person introduced himself with Dr. Ahmed, because my mother is she's a health practitioner, or let me say a health personnel. So he called her and said they'll be having a meeting. I think it's going to be by 7 p.m. according to what he said they are going to have a meeting, and I think it's going to be through WhatsApp. So that there's this number he sent to her, and he sent to her. Is it that there's a number he sent to her or a link that he sent to her that she's trying to click the link so quick so that they can she can join the meeting at 7 p.m. And then he said he's going to call a number for her so that she should dial it, and according to her, he was putting pressure, like multi pressure on her, hastening her up. And she was like, and she now told the person that she will write it down because that her phone is not that quick or fast, in typing. That her screen is not that good in typing what he wants to say, because he's just mounting pressure on her. So after that, when she was about doing it, it now dawned on her like, okay, how is it that she received a call from, let me say, the head office, and she didn't receive the information from her supervisor? She now quickly called the supervisor, her own supervisor, from the jurisdiction that she is, and like, okay, she received a call from so person, and the person was like trying to tell her she should do this, she should dial this number, she should click this, and he now said no, there's nothing like that. So at that process of doing that, you understand? So after getting, calling her supervisor to inform him about what just happened, so when she was trying to, log back or to go back to her WhatsApp to continue the process, she discovered that she's logged out automatically. Like, she's logged out. And she told me that one of the mistakes she made was she mentioned her name to him. Yes, I think he asked her of her name, and she mentioned it. It's something that just come off a sudden. Someone just call you and say he's doctor, like, presenting himself as part of your clinic, or let me say a colleague, in a higher rank. Let's say she's a health practitioner, just like I said earlier, and he presents himself as doctor. So she made a mistake by mentioning her name to him, because I think he asked for the name, and then I don't know what other means he also used, and then get access to her account. And I did probably, apart from this, there should be another thing that she did that she did not notice that granted her access. So one of the things that she could tell is that she was able to mention her name to him because he asked of the name. She mentioned the name, so it was after then he now came to her. She has to call her supervisor for that, and when she was trying to log back to her account, her WhatsApp, boom, it's gone. She don't have access to it again, and she now received a call from someone, called her and say that it seems her WhatsApp has been hacked, because immediately the person hacked the WhatsApp account, he started sending messages to people, especially to some groups that she's in, like in WhatsApp group. So People know you by the kind of message you send. They know what you are capable of and what you are not. That your WhatsApp has been hacked, and the supervisor later call back and say, it has happened. So they started seeing messages, you understand? So she now called me. I have to run to her working place and then collect her own Android phone. She's using Android phone to see how I can start rectifying this issue to get her account back. So this is how it happened to her. This is how it happened to her. Your own story may be different. Are you getting it? Your own story may be different. Now, if your WhatsApp account has been hacked, I want you to know this. Immediately, you start on the process immediately. Do not allow it to delay. Because when you allow it to delay, you give the hacker more ground to establish so many things to just make sure that you don't have access to the account again. So when she called me, I have to rush quickly to go get her device and then start up the process. So now this drives me to another reason or another means in which your WhatsApp account can be hacked. It's going to look similar to what just happened to her. The second thing or the second means in which your WhatsApp account can be hacked is by some suspicious links. Yes, you can receive a message through WhatsApp. It could be even normal SMS. Are you getting it? You could receive a message. Someone could send you a message and with some link, like, okay, click this link to get a bonus, maybe advertisement or something, just advertising anything. Are you getting it? Even if it is from the person that you know, the person can receive the link from someone and he will send to you without knowing that link is malicious. Yes, it's malicious. So even if you receive a link from someone that you know, and you know that link, sometimes you may not detect it, but as a tech enthusiast, I can detect some of the links. But if you get any link that you are not sure of, that your conscience is not giving you clarity about, I've made a video on how to verify any link. So if you want to verify any link sent to you that you are not sure of, the video cast that is appearing at this moment, yes, just click on the video or the description of the video. You are going to find that very link. You watch the video. I made a video how to verify any link sent to you. If you receive any link that you are not sure of, you can verify the link to know if the link is safe or not before you click the link and then you go through the website.
Great tip, Tom. Hey, if you're enjoying the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. We bring out weekly videos, so smash that notification bell so that you know when we next bring.
Now, another means in which your WhatsApp account can be hacked is SIM swap. Yes, SIM swap. Your SIM card can be swapped. Yeah, someone can swap your SIM. Giving your device, your phone to someone, person can swap your SIM, get access to just that code that will be sent to the SIM card. When you get that code, you have access to your account. So be careful with your SIM card. If your SIM card is usually exposed to strangers, be careful. So another reason again, or another means in which your account can be hacked is by there's this what we call sharing your WhatsApp account to your own laptop. If someone can scan your QR code, this way the person may not really hack into your account, but the person can be monitoring your WhatsApp messages. When your QR code has been scanned and connected to your laptop, you can be using your WhatsApp on your device and still at the same time using it on the system on the laptop. So when someone have access to your QR code in the WhatsApp settings, when you scan it, you can connect your WhatsApp to his own laptop and then have access to every message. So be careful out there. These are the few reasons, or these are the few means in which your WhatsApp accounts can be hacked, apart from many other reasons. So you should take note of this and then keep your account safe. Now, this brings me to how to recover your hacked WhatsApp account. I'm going to show you 3 proven steps or 3 proven ways in which you can try any of it to recover your account. You can try them both at a time, but any of these, when you try any one among these 3, it will work out for you. Now, the first step, or the first thing I'm going to share with you is uninstall the WhatsApp accounts. Yes, The very WhatsApp account you are using or the app, you uninstall the app and then you install it back from Play Store. Yes, when you install it back from Play Store, you log in. Put in your phone number, the number that you usually use for your WhatsApp account that was hacked, the very number you put in to log in. You're going to receive a code, and then when you receive that code and granted you access, when you showed that it was successful, when you put in that code and it opened up for you, you're going to find out that your WhatsApp account that was logged in the other phone, the person that hacked it, will be logged out and you will log in automatically. Are you getting it? You're going to log in automatically. So you try to uninstall and then install back and then you log in. And when that happens, when your WhatsApp account has been hacked, please, you do well to do this immediately. Don't take time. You make this attempt, without taking any delay, to avoid any further legal grounds that the hacker will want to take into your WhatsApp account. Are you getting it? Now, in this, at times, it may show you that you've tried multiple times. This could really be that from the other person end that hacked into your account has tried many codes and number to just say they have access to it and has exhausted the limit. Are you getting it? So when you try to log in, it's going to show you that you have exhausted your time or the limit of trying to log in. Even when you receive the code, at times it may show that. And what they are going to do is you have to be patient. Yes, you are going to receive a pop-up message here. It's going to show you. Sometimes it could be some hours. Sometimes, in most cases, you have to wait for 7 days. Yes, you wait for 7 days. After 7 days, you still come and try it again. When it shows you that, please, you just be patient. Just forget about it and wait till that time. When that time reaches, you go back and then you try login again. You are going to find yourself. It's going to log in. You'll find your account logged in successfully, and the other person end will be logged out. This is the first method. I hope you understand. So the second method is if you are using WhatsApp Business. Let's say you are using WhatsApp Business to carry on your activity on WhatsApp. You are going to uninstall the WhatsApp Business and then you install the normal regular WhatsApp app. Hope you are getting it. The regular normal WhatsApp app, you install it and then you log in into it. When you log in into it, you are going to find it that your account will be logged in and the other persons will be logged out. This very method, I haven't tried it. The first method that I just shared with you, that was what I tried, but mine did not take me that long. Are you getting it? To wait for 7 days. That mine did not take me that long, but yours, it may not. Now, the third way in which you can get your account rectified is by email WhatsApp support. You go to www.whatsappsupport.com. You send a message through the website or through the email to let them know that your WhatsApp account has been hacked. Put in the number that is linked to the WhatsApp so that they can be aware, or they should know which number you are talking about, and then you wait for their reply or response.
Great tip, Tom. Hey, if you're enjoying the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. We bring out weekly videos, so smash that notification bell so that you know when we next bring them.
Now, how do you keep your account safe? I'm going to briefly tell you how to keep your account safe. First thing first is make sure you set two-step verification. I've made a video on how to set this two-step verification, but briefly, when you go to your WhatsApp settings and go to account, you're going to see where it is written two-step verification. Click on it and set it on. Put in the 6-digit number that you will remember. When someone wants to have access to the account, that number will be required. If the person doesn't know the account and the number, you can't have access to it. So you set it. Very, very important, two-step verification. And then secondly, be careful on the kind of links you click when sent to you. I also made a video on how to verify any link before clicking on the link. You can see the video cards appearing here. Yes, you click on it and then you watch, or in the description of this video you are going to find it here. Watch how to verify any link, because some links are malicious, some links are not safe. You verify to know if it is safe or not before you click to go through your website. And then thirdly, if you are an admin, group admin, you have a WhatsApp group, be careful the kind of people you add into the group. And also, do not add multiple people into the group at a time. It can make WhatsApp to track your account as a spam, like trying to do something that is not supposed to. What will you do instead? Share the WhatsApp group link. Let the people be the one joining the group through the link, not adding multiple people into the group. It's not good, it's not safe. WhatsApp can flag your account. Among these, apart from this, there are many other ways again, but this one, take note of it and then keep your account safe. This brings me to the end of this video. I know this video has been a very vital information coming to you. You can share this, you can save this, it can help you or any other person. Keep this video engaging, let others see this video, and then the videos appearing as you are seeing these videos appearing on the screen, click any of these and watch so that you get informed. Very vital information I always share. See you in another video.